Hello guys, good day. So another application I'm going to quickly put you through on, for poster designs or content branding, right? Just as we did with Poster Maker. The application is called uh uh it's called Brand Maker. So Brand Maker is also a very useful tool. It's a very useful tool, in terms of creating posters, right? So this is it, Brand Maker. So I'm going to be sending it to you. I'll be sending it to you, and it's very helpful, very helpful. So just follow me, and you'd learn how to use this application. So let's go ahead and open it so I can show you exactly how it works. Brand Maker. Yeah, so just like a Poster Maker, this has and to me I feel this is even a bit more professional in terms of business. If you're doing some really professional business and you want to just quickly prepare uh you know content you want to use for your marketing and all, so you can actually get some really nice templates from this application. So it requires data, so you need to put on your data to make use of it. So all this, if you look down here, down here, under this mob you're looking at, we have typed an option called bundle. We have templates, we have create, we have my designs, we have settings. So the bundle is just like more of some of their pre-designed uh you know jobs you can actually just edit and all. So templates is one of the very easy ones to actually work with. So when you tap on templates, it loads up a lot of templates that you can actually select from, and you can even click up here and search for any category of any kind of thing you want to work on, and it comes up. So any template per se you want to work on, and it comes up. So let's assume we just want to uh, just design something really fast. One good thing about this very
Hello guys,
application,
I just found a really excellent app.
I hate ads. Okay, so we want to edit this one now. I want to work on this. So one good thing about this is you can actually move a lot of stuff. You can actually, a lot of things are editable here, including their logos, and sometimes in some cases the pictures, and of course the text too. So this is loading up. I don't know why it's taking much time. Okay, so we are up now. It has loaded. So oh my god, I'm so sorry about this. So let's go on. So this is, you see, even this thing you see here is movable. Anything you see, anything you click here is actually movable, you know so you can actually go ahead and edit all these text you see here. You can edit even this logo you see here, you see. So just like we used on the other app, you can actually adjust the size and move it to whichever direction you want it to be. So just for example, this is what we're, so let's just do a quick editing on this. So all you're learning here is just how to use this particular app, right? I'm going to take you through a step by step, to edit this. So let's assume we just double tap on it to edit the text. So let's assume that what we want to write here is WebText Studios. Or WebText Studios. Or maybe let's assume we want to make this stay under the studio, stay under WebTech. Just try to be as creative as possible to make it sit properly. So WebTech Studio. So we're going to go ahead to edit this one. We double tap on it and delete what they have there and put our own. I always like to use capital letter, like I told you. So here let's say we redefine um graphics and animations. We redefine graphics and animation, right? We're professional. We're professional. So this is just for training purposes. You can get very creative on that and do whatever you want. So I just want to change the style of this. You see, I moved around this place. Now I'm looking for the style. Now from here you can change the font style, you can change the color, you can change the size, you can rotate, a whole lot of stuff you can do, right? So you can even change the opacity just like I thought in the other video. So here I just want to change the style. So in the style you can actually change the alignment of the text. So I want it is currently aligned to the left. I want it to be aligned to the middle, to the center, so it appears this way. This is what I want, right? Of course you can want something else. So I think this is fine for me. Just like in the other video, the shadow too, you can actually just put in some shadow always makes it appear a bit more professional and beautiful. So I'll also add a little bit shadow to web tech. Yeah, just small. All right, I think this is fine. So it's not just coming here to put in text. Of course you want to make your text look a bit more professional and beautiful, and that is what we are here to teach you. The, the two different things between uh the same thing two people did is the creativity applied by one other person, which made his more beautiful. Sometimes they give two different women the same ingredient to prepare the same meal, and at the end of the day you discover that the other woman has a very delicious meal and the other one has a messy meal. What is that? It's skill and creativity, right? So you just want to make yours look a bit more creative, so you just play around with tools that are available here. Oh my god, I just if you make any mistake you can just tap on this to you know this button to undo, right? If you want to redo you tap on this one, right? So since we're not doing that now, let us just continue to where we're. So I made a mistake by deleting this, just undone it. So I'm just going to edit this text. Maybe I want to put my company name. Uh, right. Of course, I'll delete this one first. WebTech Studios. All right. So you just want to put this anywhere you want. Like, you see the way it is now. You can't even see it clearly, right? What do you do at this point in time? You either change the color or you add a background to it. I don't think this application has the option for adding a background. So since that's not happening, what we can do is just add change the color to something that can be seen. You see now you can actually see what I put. You can use white. You can use all these colors down here, so whichever one you feel gives you what you want. To make it appear a little bit of finer, you can also add a little bit of shadow to it and it appears a little bit clearer, right? So this is it. So we don't want this logo here. That's not my logo, so I don't want it. So I'd like to put my own logo there. Okay, in this video I like to align my logo to the middle, to the center. So what I'll do is I'll um I'll go ahead to import my logo, right? So I just cancel that tab there and import my logo. You can also choose to change your background. All these options you see down here, you can actually play around with them, come up with really nice stuff. You know, the same, almost the same things with the other ones we did. So I'm just going to import my logo now. So this is my logo. Oh no, sorry, this is not WebTech Studio. Okay, let me use WebTech Innovation. It's still fine. WebTech Innovation is the corporate logo for the entire WebTech group, right? So it still covers. Although I have a logo for WebTech Studio, but I just want to use this one here now, so that's fine. So you see I aligned my logo to the middle. You can align yours to the right or to the left, whichever way you want it to be. So I want mine to be like this. WebTech Studios, okay. So I want to add my tagline. I told you about the importance of a tagline, when I was teaching you logo design, right? So maybe if you want to, of course. Let me just add a tagline. So WebTech Studios, our tagline is interpreting art, right? Interpreting art. Yes, interpreting art. So that's the color. I don't like it, so I may want to change the color to something I can see. So this red is not so bright, so one thing I can do again to see it clearly is to add a little bit of shadow. You see it appears a bit more finer now. And so you can just put in your email address. This is just for training purposes. Of course, there are thousands of templates you can actually work with. So web tech sites, please, our email address is not ch ending webtech, is webtek, webtech sites, just in case you want to send us an email at gmail.com. So this is our, then you can go ahead to just add a text, put in your phone number. So I'm going to put my phone number. So this fits well. I can decide to change the color, but I think I like that black. It's fine that way. Maybe I'll just add a little bit of, I like to use shadow, it makes it come out cleaner. So that's fine. I want to reduce the size a little bit. Don't make things look too big and too small. And don't make things scattered, make it organized so it looks professional, right? So I think this is just fine. So when you're done, you can just go ahead and click on save. So once you save this, I always like to go for HD, right? It gives you a professional quality. So just the same procedure you can use to edit, or create any kind of, you know, poster. It's very, very beautiful. This one is more flexible. That's why I thought I should also teach you this. It's very flexible and it contains, really professional templates. So I think having said this, I think we're good to go. You can actually go to your gallery and this has been saved. So here is my gallery. It's loading up. This is what I've just designed. This is it. You see. So you can do yours. I think this should be part of your assignment. Maybe one of the posters you're designing from the assignment should come from this application and one from the other one. So I think having said this, we're done with this. So till I come to you on the next episode, have a blessed day.